One, two, three, four. Cheers.
Tip: click the TTS settings to adjust the selected TTS engine options. If your device's CPU performance will allow, try downloading a more friendly voice from Innova. There are plenty of great sounding free voices to choose from. There are a number of ways to get text into the app, simply by copying text to the clipboard, via the Android Share Data feature or from any text file shared import from third-party file managers apps such as File Expert. Button actions. Less than button, rewinds to select previous sentence. Long click rewinds to start of text. Greater than, button, steps forward to select next sentence. Long click forwards to the end of the text and selects the last sentence. Play and speak button, starts speaking from the selected text point. Long click will initiate loop mode for any selected text. 2 pause button, stops speaking text aloud, pauses on last sentence processed in the application. Copy button, copies selected text to the clipboard, silently. Long click copies all text to the clipboard. Paste button, pastes text from to the clipboard into the text at the current cursor point. Long click paste overwrites all the text with any text in the clipboard. Clear button, clears the text and stops all speech processing. Long click also resets the clipboard after saving the contents to the undo list. Undo button, steps through the text stored in the undo list. Long click restores the last undo stored. Hide button, hide the app like the Android Home or back actions. Long click will ask if you wish to exit and close the app. Progress, seat bar, is a visual progress indication for text processing. Can be clicked to drag to quick index into the text by moving the text selection marker.
1.
1. If you press hide, home, or the back button, this user interface will disappear but clipboard monitor will remain active for any text copied to the clipboard. To activate this application, either relaunch from the icon or click the notification status bar message entry. Or just click the stop processing notification item, which is very handy if you want to quickly stop a speech in progress. Alternatively, just relaunch this app or hold down the device's home button and choose this app from the list of recently accessed apps. Note that some browser apps may have options that hide the notification status bar, which when visible allows more control and feedback over the easy text-to-speech processing.
2.
2. Navigate to any text message, hold down a long click and then click copy message text to hear the message spoken out clearly, whilst some of the standard text message emotions and abbreviations may be expanded into words. Precise functionality may vary depending on your Android operating system and its cut and paste features. Other in-application features. Loop mode. Select some text and long click the play and speak button to loop process up to 1000 times. Also allows the preferences for speech rate and pitch settings to be changed during loop mode. Navigation delimiters. For auto sentence selection, highlighting based on text ending with the following characters: semicolon, question mark, exclamation mark. In addition to the full stop, period.
3.
3. In the Android web browser, Gingerbread version, click the menu button, click the More option and then click Select Text. Then on the web page, touch and drag to select text, then finally, single click the chunk of selected text, which will be copied and spoken aloud. Alternatively, you can hold a long click on a piece of text, then manipulate the selection markers. When satisfied, click the selected text to copy and speak the desired text chunk. Alternatively, long click on a web page address and click the Share Link option to direct the page to this app to extract text content for reading. Or in the text box in this app, just type in the desired web address only and click the Speak button. For Facebook, take a look at Friendcaster to allow better copy and paste functionality of View Facebook in a web page for mobiles at facebook.com. Plenty of mobile-specific sites that allow text copying where the dedicated apps do not. E.g., try YouTube.com, etc.
4.
4. There are quite a few other features supported in this app. Note the useful text navigation buttons and play-pause features. Also be aware that long clicks on forward and rewind buttons will move the selection pointer to either end of the text window. Other buttons such as copy and paste buttons also respond to long clicks. The undo feature helps to retrieve any work lost accidentally, where a long click will retrieve the most recent edits. Shared links or enter a web address, downloads and extracts web text from web pages, which can then be processed to speech. Export functions via the long click on the copy button and the share feature to supporting apps, accessed from the device's menu button, then click More and click the Share option. A quick way to index into a large text is to swipe with your finger up the screen to scroll down into the text, locate your target text and press a long click on the first word, then from the offered context menu click the Select Word option. Now click the Play and Speak button to start speech processing from the selected starting point. If required, long-click the Devices menu button to show the soft keyboard once again.
5.
5. Please be sure to support the product by purchasing a license with the paid version. The application is useful and more great features are planned for the future. So spread the word. Select and copy text from any application and hear it spoken back to you automatically. No need to paste and click extra buttons. If you cannot hear any speech, then from the preferences go to the TTS settings, then the Install Voice Data. Google Play will link to download and install free voice data files. Then be sure to check the preferred languages installed and selected.
Thank you.